The threat to national security, infectious disease. The K-Bio CMO Center, the new hope in taking the response towards various new infectious diseases, such as the COVID-19 pandemic, and in developing the biopharmaceutical and vaccination industry, is working to become a global vaccination hub. The K-Bio CMO Center, located in the Gyeongbuk Bio General Industrial Complex, which is under construction of the Andong Vaccine Industry Cluster, completed the infrastructure construction project in 2021. Completion of global-level GMP facilities, approval for pharmaceutical manufacturing, and CMO GMP certification. We are promoting the vaccine industrialization business support business. The center's GMP facility has a gross floor area of 16,120 square meters, and a total project cost of $83.5 million was invested. The facility consists of 3 buildings: a GMP production building, an animal test building, and a waste storage building. Every moment, the facility is growing to become a partner in the domestic vaccine industry. In addition, the Vaccine Specialist Training Center will be established from 2022 to 2026. And we are planning on having a project for nurturing experts who are needed by businesses in the actual vaccine industry. The K-Bio CMO Center is a state-of-the-art facility equipped with the best infrastructure at the global GMP level. It provides one-stop support for vaccine production consignments, process development using support facilities for commercialization, quality control, and technical consultations. Moreover, we have various analysis equipment essential for vaccine development and quality analysis. We also have the equipment necessary for the biopharmaceutical production process and development, which covers animal testing and vaccine production, and the experts to operate them. The center is equipped with a total of 499 units of 234 types equipment. We provide everything from cell and virus bank to cell cultivation, process optimization, and scale-up production. In addition, we perform everything from the early-stage purification to the late-stage purification. All products are flexible with a single-use system that accommodates a variety of items. The center has various facilities that can produce high-quality pharmaceuticals that meet GMP standards. The production facility for drug substance is equipped with 2 200-liter lines, one 1,000-liter line, and a BSL-3 grade manufacturing facility, which can prepare for high-risk viruses. The facility for finished vaccine product is equipped with vial and pre-filled syringe lines. The fill and finish product production line for vial can produce 12,000 vials per hour. And the pre-filled syringe facility is capable of producing 12,000 syringes per hour. We offer a professional and systematic CMO consignment production, from the initial inquiry through the signing and offering of a confidentiality contract, process review, estimate calculation, consignment contract, and to completion. As a characteristic of the K-Bio CMO Center, it is possible to produce viral vector and protein products in addition to vaccines. And all production uses a single-use system to prevent contamination. Scale-up production is possible from lab scale to commercial scale. The process development takes place divided into the process development room and the analysis lab. In the process, an optimal cell growth environment is created, and the rooms are equipped with the equipment optimized for the vaccine production process, such as 50-liter process development and manufacturing. We perform all tasks, from the development of customized cell lines for consignments to the process development of the virus, the early process development, and the scale-up process development. The raw materials required for vaccine research are kept in the best condition at the optimum temperature, from the storage to the arrival and departure. They are handled under a strict quality system that complies with global GMP regulations. The vaccines that are produced can be stored for a long time with a freeze-drying system to ensure the stability of vaccine performance. The K-Bio CMO Center strives to nurture the Korean vaccine industry, support global industrialization, increase vaccine share in the domestic and vaccine markets, and secure vaccine sovereignty. In the future, the K-Bio CMO Center will promote the industrialization of biopharmaceuticals and vaccines on behalf of ventures and small and medium-sized enterprises, which have difficulties investing in production facilities for developing expensive vaccines, and will continue to nurture experts in the vaccine industry. The K-Bio CMO Center fosters the vaccine industry by building future-oriented core infrastructure. Our goal is to position ourselves as a partner in the global industrialization of vaccines by nurturing the ability to respond to new infectious diseases. The K-Bio CMO Center will lead the safe and healthy future by accomplishing the growth of the vaccine industry.